lovely viewers. Saroji Bain of 10A4.
Inchara from 10A2. Today we have our news bulletin part 4.
To begin with, we bring you the news updates for the month of October.
Sara, October is a Talents Week.
Yes, it is the most awaited time of the year.
Oh my god, I can't forget the fun and frolic we had then.
To begin our Talents Week, we had the first event, the classical dances. We had Bharatanatyam and Kathak performances.
The participants were decked up in colorful attire and were ready to perform. It was truly a feast for the tired eyes.
Welcome back. Away from the colorful performances, some of our participants were eagerly waiting to sing a few numbers in Kannada.
Indeed, it was very nostalgic to listen to the melodious numbers of yesteryear.
students of class 8 waited eagerly to present their point of views on Pick and Speak.
It was really nice seeing young talent speaking their heart out.
My name is Abhay and I'm a class leader. So today's my food is on substance that are organized and consumed for
Hatred and fear, they are linked just like us. This is my favorite rival relationship. My favorite.
It will be often maintained for the students in this school.
I would like to visit new places, maybe like beaches and other.
Friends are subjected to this endless passage of time. We all feel once a successful person was usually a person who just
but heats. And but made me discipline, social work, and talent.
And food also plays a major role in relationships. Like sharing about
every rhythm and sound helps me understand and process. The building blocks of matter. It gives us fertilizers to grow.
hidden universes make these stories part of my curiosity.
It's not in the sense of money, but in the sense of culture. When I see a character overcome fear, I feel
They always encourage me to do my best.
But it also teaches me how to never give up. Disturbs during classes and
no wonder it is called the Festival of Lights.
Welcome back. The next event of the day was the most interesting one, testing the language of children, which was lingua franca.
I am so happy to say that my house has won. I mean to say, the yellow house has won.
Each topic which you pick has got 8 questions. Each question, if you really give the correct answer, will fetch you 10 points. That means 8 questions. Drink. That's correct. The second one is land. That's also correct. Third is monk. Are you sure? Correct. Fourth one, conductor.
Conductress.
Spell it.
CONDUCTRESS.
Correct. The fifth word for you is manager. Clear? So 80 points goes to the red house. Comes next is the blue house. Your topic? Preposition. I think last time also you said the same thing and this time also. Fine. So the first one coming up to you is I met my friend dash the bus stop dash RT Nagar. Should be very quick.
I met my friend at the bus stop in Article.
Very good. Thank you both. Okay, so you are right there. The sixth question to you is I saw a boat dash the bridge.
Under.
I can also be
Below.
below. So both beneath are under. That's right. The next one is the criminal is still dash the run. On the run. Question is I saw dash one-eyed man dash or a goat.
I saw a one-eyed man an hour ago.
Very good. Correct. The second question coming up to you is my friend who is dash European. He is studying in dash university in Bangalore.
A European is studying in a university.
A university or an university.
A university.
Right. Third question to you is Sally is dash honorable man and he is dash heir to some of his grandfathers.
Concentrating, and then his father, he started lying to his father, telling that it's too difficult, I can't do it. He won't be able to understand the pain of me studying. Then
Welcome back. The next event was exclusively for those who were conscious about their health and fitness.
You mean to say the health and fitness quiz? Sarah, do you know who the winners were?
Yes, when you speak about health and fitness, you must remember hemoglobin. I mean to say, the Red House has won.
Identify the autoimmune disease condition shown in the image. Option A, Option B, rheumatoid arthritis. Option C, scoliosis. Option D, osteomalacia.
Is option B.
Option A, incentive spirometer. Option B, carbon dioxide rebreather. Option C, humidifier. Option D, violin inhaler.
I'm a carbon dioxide rebreather.
It's a wrong answer. The answer is incentive spirometer. It's a handheld device used to help patients take slow, deep breath to improve lung function. Lung capacity will be enhanced by using this handheld device. Please think over and get the correct answer. There are 2 more rounds left. Is for Blue House. Enteral nutrition is administered through. Enteral nutrition is administered through. Option A, nasogastric tube. Option B, oral route. Option C, IV line. And option D, rectal route. Very good. The correct option is nasogastric tube. Welcome, Blue House.
No carbohydrate.
It's a wrong answer. The correct answer is clear liquid diet is being given to patients recovering from surgery. Clear liquid diet is recommended because it will not impose the patient with a lot of metabolism and much of stress will not be. So I think Blue House and Yellow House.
Welcome back. The last event of the day was the Voice of Florence. Participants were ready with their choice of songs.
कोई बात
Chira, may I know what was your favorite event of the Talents Week?
My favorite event was Style Act.
Style Act, of course. I remember being a part of the cabinet team. We had to think about the music, the outfits, and synchronizing our movements. It was ecstatic.
The next day began with the most colorful and happening event, which was Style Act. Don't you think it was such a memorable act?
Of course, it was so memorable. Do you know who were the winners?
The winners were my class, 10A2.
And the runners-up were 10A1. Unfortunately, my team lost.
The next event was based on the proverb, silence speaks louder than words.
Do you mean mime?
Yes, you are right.
It was a great theme given to the students to put up their best expression and convey their perception on social awareness.
Do you know who won? It was Blue House. I mean to say, my house.
Oh, you were the winners? Don't show off, because my house was just behind you as the runners-up. I mean to say the yellow house were the runners-up. Thank you for watching our channel. We request you to like,
Share
and subscribe.
and follow us on our Insta handle.
Signing off now are Sarah Jabeen.
And Inchara Ram.
Thank you.